I wish our parents were alive.
Get up. Sister, get
If
up.
they were here, they must have found a way to cure
Open your
you.
mouth. Open it well.
I'm sorry, sister.
Yo, what are you doing?
I don't have money. I don't know what to do or how to help you. Even if I did, there's just no money. We barely feed. I'm here, sister. Here by your side. Sister, I will see us through this.
Hi, look at this fine girl. Eh?
So beautiful. Ha! And she's pregnant. I just wonder how she's coping in this condition. I really wonder the animal that put her in this situation. Eh? Hi! Honestly, these men that sleep with mad women, they need to be tortured though. Eh? They must be very stupid. So there's no other woman in this world. It's now a mad woman. It is well. Wish I could help, but...
I am so happy. From America direct to my house. I am more than happy. Happiness is radiating all over me. But I told you I
was gonna come, didn't I?
You told me, but I never believed it until I see you. Oh my goodness.
No, I love what you did out there.
Oh really?
Yeah, I love them. I love the music. I love all of them. That's fantastic.
I have to do that because you deserve more than this music. In fact, I'm supposed to bring the video here. I'm supposed to put flavor now.
Thank you so much. I'm so happy, honestly. I have something for them. Hold on.
From America direct to my own house. Hey! Hey! People should come and see. Oh my God!
I have some dollars. I'm looking at giving them like, what do you think, $100? I want to give them those guys out there. Yeah.
$100.
Is it too small?
$100.
Yeah.
Too small.
Should I bring
No.
Oh.
Ha! You get $100 is too much. Don't you have something like Naira?
Oh, okay, good. I have some, yeah. Do you think this one will be okay?
More than okay.
You sure? I can get more if you want me to.
Okay, if you insist.
I have this sweet in my bag. Are you sure they're gonna like it?
Of course, they have no choice.
But it's just sweet.
It's just sweet. But their life is already bitter. So they need something like this to spice it up.
Really? Oh my God. Okay. You said so.
Let me go and get.
All right.
Let me go and give them.
All right. Okay.
Just give me a minute. I'm coming.
All right.
We will continue experiencing something good. How much is your balance?
Oh, thank you.
Eh?
Yes, push 10K.
10K. 7,000. How much I give you?
10,000.
Which one be 10K? 7,000. 7,000. If you are supposed to come out something, you'll get a no sound too well. Take it. Give them. Okay, no count for them. Give them now. Oh yeah, Ola. No need of counting. I counted it very well.
Thank you.
Hey, who's for Go, John. Bad people. The voice. It's okay. Don't mark anything. Go to your house. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 3,000. Mona go share up. Three of you follow him and go. Okay. Mona go now.
Go now. Let them settle us.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. When you know Jay Gwen. I'm sure there is men in your life. Let's let those men take care of you financially. Now, when you look at it, go get more honey. This is the deal. Sweet. Thank you. Everybody, come back for back. Construct everywhere. Okay, what are you still waiting for? Huh? What are you still waiting?
Let me see our wife now.
Again.
Okay, I should follow this people and go.
No, follow them and lie down. We can leave this place.
Let me go and see our wife. Settle me. I should settle my village.
Go and lick and take care of your dog in my yard now. Go.
And what have you?
Now you carry motor.
I contracted the people. Now that
so you contracted them with my money. I would have done that. You chose to do it. So please leave. Okay, leave. Let me go and enjoy my wife. Go.
Our wife, you are welcome.
Our enemy, you are welcome. Bye bye. And anytime you want to come here, tell you don't come on uninvited. Baby.
Do you like it?
Like.
Mm-hmm.
I love it. Look at me. I will now use better phone.
Yeah.
I will start WhatsApp, Facebook,
Okay.
TikTok. I will sleep.
What about this? Yeah, I bought you these sneakers. And this is a t-shirt. I'm sure you're gonna love this one. Yeah, it's so bold. Look at it.
Jehovah is die. Hi.
It's lovely.
Jesus.
Yeah. And this one.
Jesus.
How do you see this?
Hi, I love. Very cool.
I'm just so happy you are happy. And this is another gift, but no. I'm going to leave this one. You're not going to touch this one. This is so special. I want you to open this later on. Not now. Maybe in the dance.
Maybe on bed.
Whatever. It's this is Dior. It's a designer. Dior.
Oh dear.
No, Dior.
Okay. One of our brother here in this village, his name is Dio.
No. I said Dior. Dior.
Wow.
Yeah, that's it.
That's a foreign name.
Oh yeah, this is so special and so dear to my heart. I'm not gonna open it now.
So dear to your heart, to
yeah,
Dio.
to Dior, yeah.
Hey.
I'm happy you are happy.
I am over happy.
Yeah.
In fact, my heart is full of joy.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Thank you. I'm so happy. That's why I bought all this for you, because I love you.
Judith. 10. Like this 5 and this 5, I come now about 10 whole years. 10 whole years without the cry of a child, not even a half child like an imbecile or Onyaka Kuturu self. Not even a cry of any child. Why is life this mean to me? Why?
You stop crying. Stop crying. You know what? I have a plan. I've been seeing this pregnant mad woman around the dumping area in the market. I think you should get close to her. Get close to her and make her like you.
Judith, please, make this to make sense to me. Make it make sense to me, because I don't understand what you're saying. How can I, Rose, how do you expect me to make friend with a mad woman? How is that possible?
Calm down. Not about speed. Calm down. Let me tell you the full plan now. See, all I want you to do is get close to her. make sure she's comfortable around her. And make sure she trusts you. So that by the time she gives birth, you take her baby. And you know, as a mad woman, nobody will put eye in her matter. Nobody will even read. Nobody will notice. You have yourself a baby.
Judith,
Hmm?
are you sure this will work?
Rose, it will work. Trust me.
But how? How can I make a mad woman, somebody whose brain is not corresponding with her body, how can I make such a person trust me? How is that possible?
The most important thing is that you make her comfortable and make sure she trusts you. Everything will just come easily.
Yes, it
will not, Calm down.
Rosie,
stop crying, okay?
Sister Mara. Sister Mara. Sister Mara. Sister Mara. Sister Mara. Just go back now. What is all this? What is all this? Sister Mara. Welcome my auntie, my uncle, my brother, my grandmother, my daddy, my auntie, my uncle, my cousins and my stepbrother, stepfather, stepfather, and welcome you too if you follow me to Sokoto, and I will bring all these people with their stupid head. Won't you go? Won't you go? Welcome my brothers, my auntie, my uncle. I present to you this stupid vow. Go, and then even if you come with me, I will go to your house and we'll eat maggots and put it in your eyes. We'll put it in your eyes and go to your home. Even if you don't even go, so I even have all this inside. I didn't even sleep in that place. I like sleeping in this place because when I sleep here, it doesn't even do me anything. Welcome my auntie, my uncle, my brother. Where to you? I present to you this one. Sister, stand up. Let's go. Let's leave here. Let's leave here. Hi, welcome my brothers. Everybody, we are marching to heaven. After we go to heaven,
I have a question that nobody can answer. Tell me why bad things happen to good people. I still wonder why.
Oh, stop! Stop this thing that you're doing. Stop this thing that you're doing. I'll put you back. I'll put you inside here to go. What are you doing? Sister, do you want to burn yourself? Okay, shift. Sister, stand up, please. Hold me alone. Don't you know you're a pregnant woman? Do you want to hurt your baby? Please stand up. Oh! Stop it! No! Sister, don't do that now! Hey!
I can say Nigerian Limited. Okay. Okay, the one. I knew it. I know that you cannot be coming out again. It was in our you hardly step out. I said, let me come. If Mohammed did not go to mountain, Mohammed a mountain. How is our wife? Our wife. Our wife.
Now our Lady Queen of Fatima. Now our Lord's Prayer. Who be your wife? Waiting come they bring that kind talk. Waiting make her our.
All of us we are dancing together when we welcomed our
us. Dancing together, we only dance. We no marry am together. So point of correction. Any day I go hear our makachu umure shambe war again on.
Sorry, I will not try it again.
Come with me to the backyard. I'm cooking.
Cool.
Yes, let's go to the back. I'm in the kitchen and my wife is sleeping. So let's.
You are cooking, and your wife is sleeping.
Is there anything wrong with that?
Who does that?
I don't understand.
No, let me tell you something. Your wife returned from America. She is supposed to be the one cooking.
Okay.
Making all those American wonders, all those half-done food they used to eat there. That is what you are supposed to be eating. And she's the one that's supposed to be cooking, not you. Cooking and she's sleeping. No.
Okay. Do you know you are a fool? You're a fool at 40. Even white hair don't fool your mouth. Fool your head. Still you no get sense. You go come my house, come tell me how to run my home. Now people like you, they break people's marriage. Wetin concern you? No, she for cook Donald Trump for me. Or better still, bring George Bush. There can get Berokashi. They can cook Elahia. Nchamu pepper soup for me. She's not supposed to sleep again. Her husband is not supposed to help wife again. Right. Mind yourself. Mind how you talk. Mind how you talk. Count your tongue, otherwise I'm not. What a mess.
Sorry.
Enter, and if you are walking through the parlor, you have to move slowly. Watch your steps so you don't wake her up. Enter. Who can move your slippers? Now you get out. You fell break. Hey, you go wait, make honor of the house come open door. Sorry. You know whether she's naked or how you're putting it. You will see something. Enter. What is it? This one where you do like say before you spit. If I cook and finish now you go stitch up pass. And now you go still mess pass. You know about you down and boo 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 boo. They are very horn the motor. Then they do like this. Okay, back your way.
But see, you know you're my friend. And I must tell you the truth. You see this hand you are bringing forth in this your marriage. That is the same hand the marriage will continue to flow with. How can you tell me that Joy, your wife, is inside sleeping after 10 to 11 and you are here cooking? Ghana for beans, you may get for a bed now. Eh? It's not making sense. I must tell you the truth. It's wrong. You are not just cooking in our beans. So in our beans, man, do
you know as you are now, your life is as dirty as this beans is. All those evil-minded fellow, stupidity, idiotic, and all these stupid things that fool your life. So that you'll be made whole. This is why they honor your beast. So husband cannot cook for the wife again. What is your problem, sir? No, I want to know what your problem is. What is your business? That I am cooking for my wife. She cook for me, I cook for her. Is it a crime? Somebody who just returned from Obodoibo. Can't you see how delicate that her skin is looking? And you want me to bring her to firewood? Is that? If say Nagasa they use, it would have been a different thing. But here use uncle. Please whip anya here, please. The most important thing is that we have food in the house to eat. Whether na she kuku or na me kuku is none of your business. Yeah, we had egwu di na nwunye, egwu nsori. Wepu anya ihe gbasara di na nwunye gbasa ha ge.
Ekesim.
Agwosim.
Ekesim. Hey. You see all these things you're saying now. You are just trying to cover up. I know you. You are just trying to cover up. But there's no problem. You are defending your wife. Let me even ask you, is it not that same joy that all of us who stayed in this way before she traveled? Eh? Someone that used to cook with firewood before she traveled to America. Now you are not telling me her body's delicacy, smoke will enter her eyes.
You say she was using firewood. Was. Was. I don't bring yesterday to my today.
Okay.
I don't bring, once God have taken you out of poverty, don't dream of going back there. And she have left this stage. She's gone forever. Any other thing she will prepare here is either she's using gas or electric gas, or she's using microwaving physiotherapy. She will use it and cook for me. But for firewood, the moment I step my foot out of this country, now the same way if I come back, damn you. I'm not nonsense. What a mess. Okay, come and blow this firewood for me. Come and blow me or corner to me and this year. Adjust this firewood for me.
How come I can blow it?
Oh, you're not good. The one
you tell me we will put for joy first.
Blow the fire.
If joy bellyful, if remains, I will now give you.
Blow. I will come up. If I take your mess, blank. Longer throat.
Sister, honestly, it breaks my heart to tell you this way. But you don't stay at a place when I go to work. When I go to work, you wander off. You've been wandering too much these days and it's not safe for you and the baby. Please, I beg you. Stay at a place when I go to work. I don't like the way you run around the village and in the dustbin. It hurts me seeing you this way, please. Please, you have to stay safe. Biko, don't move an inch. Let me go and weed the farm so that I can get money for your drugs and antenatal. Please, okay? I know you can hear me. Don't move an inch.
What is going on here?
What is going on? Who dropped that thing?
This is not your wife's clothes.
Is there anything wrong with it?
What are you doing with your wife's clothes?
How do you mean?
I'm asking you now. Because the way you packed everything and dumped it looks as if you want to... Okay, you want to soak so that if she wake up, she will now wash the clothes or...
I don't understand. I want to wash the clothes.
How?
How?
No, can you hear me? No, let me ask you. What is going on? Because the Ekene I know is not this soft. You just finished passing through the stress of cooking. Now come everywhere. Now you want to wash your wife's clothes. I'm not even eating the food I helped you to prepare. What is going on?
You are going on. Now you they go on. In fact, when you reach your turn, set your wife ablaze. When you reach your turn, buy fuel, buy kerosene, buy your tapia. In fact, what I see do what is wrong in washing my wife's clothes? She is me and I am her. Two of us supposed to be one. Do things together. Sleep together. Wake up together. Bath together. Wash clothes together. That is the arithmetic in marriage. So why are you trying to make me look as if I am stupid or I am a weakness?
Let me tell you something. You say marriage. Marriage is supposed to be 50-50.
Okay.
If you are doing this one, your wife is doing the other one. While you were cooking, your wife is supposed to be washing clothes or The other way around. But it's not happening like that. Ekele, talk to me now. If this woman is maltreating you in any way, tell me, let me mobilize our village youth. I took you about.
Child, marriage counselor. Calculate age about marriage supposed to be 50-50. You can now mobilize youth to come and fight for me. But you've not mobilized them to go and look for a wife that will live with you. You've not mobilized youth to come and help you impregnate your dog. You can mobilize you to come and fight for another man who is fighting for his right. Okay, wake up from sleep. Wake up. This is how we do it over here. My wife wakes up by 12 or 10:30, 11:30 or 12 noon. And it's almost time. So please, I want you to leave this compound before you distract her daily routine. Biko.
Mama, leave.
Go ahead. Leave my house or someone will leave.
Your best friend, you are telling me to leave your house.
What makes you my best friend? Are you sure you are the best?
Oh,
okay, close your local capital. There's
no problem. I will leave.
I will push you if you don't want to leave.
Don't worry, I am leaving. But let me tell you something. You will come back begging me to come here again. No, bet me.
Me. What a mess. Me, American citizen. What can I do? Bind and gonna bind here together. Once I step in there, like John money no America, bind and bind. When I do bind, I not bind. When I Judge Bush go become like this. Now you go to beg me, may you come my house, America. Me beg to come to your house. That was then. If I have begged you in the past, I beg no more. Because the rock which I stand here, oh my joy, a solid rock. You want to come and put sand between me and my American visa. Oh, if you know what is good for you, leave this place. If she comes out and meets you, you know what's up. Out.
This that I helped you to cook.
Okay, didn't you perceive the smell when we were cooking?
Is that
all? Go. You can leave now. You're irritating me. No, come and put mouth into our marriage. Go to Bantaya. Idiot of no comparison. What a mess. Why? What do I know the worst? I can am a happy I got the use now. I guess.
Find it. 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 Food. Food. Find it. Find it. Find it. Find it. Find it. Find it. Find it.
You can go to number 21 Fine Street. That place around Ipiton, that small road. That's where I put last year.
Yes, I went to number 2 Ifite. Yes, I went. I get it.
She said I should be close to her, so I will be the one with her when she'll be in labor. But with the way she's behaving, I'm not sure this can happen. Am I sure we'll get along? to force yourself. Wait. Let me loosen it.
It's but a journey filled with the good, the bad, and the ugly. Onye no no wa biko kwerere chiginu o. Hey, komu ma biara na giro.
You like it? You like it?
When we travel to America, everything will change. I assure you, your skin is going to look so smooth. And my goodness, life is so beautiful there.
I can't wait.
I know.
I'm so happy.
Yeah.
Everything will be fine so long as I'm with you.
Yeah, but first thing, we need to start processing your international passport, you know?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, so when do we start?
On Monday morning, we have to go to immigration office. But before then, I need to call my father's friend who works there because he needs to help us. Yeah.
I'm happy.
I know. I'm happy too.
The moment I enter America, Trump will know I came.
Trump?
Yeah.
Honey, hold on. Why are you always talking about Trump instead of me?
We should talk about Trump. Trump, you, not everybody has.
No, we don't have to talk about Trump. No, we should talk about me.
Okay, fine.
What's going on here?
You will know I came.
Are you sure?
Come on.
Are you sure?
Come on.
Oh, you know I love you so much.
I love you too. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
For coming into my life.
American visa has it come. My American joy has it come. American visa has it come. American blood, American visa has it come. My American is here.
The beauty of our time. My data page.
Oh, come on, baby.
Papando toto. Anyanwụ ụtụtụ
come
ekeleze
on.
nwaanyị dị nsọ nne nke ebere ndị anyị na nsọ anyị na nchekwube anyị ekele gị bụ onye ga-akpọ ma gụ
Oh, come on, honey. What's wrong?
How are you? What are you trying to do?
I want to take my bath. Yeah, I need to freshen up. That's why I came out here to fetch water. Where do you have your tap?
Don't worry about that. See, I need to... In fact, you need to bath. Because the weather is so hot.
Oh yeah, so hot.
You need to freshen up so that this year to go, you know how to plan and then begin to reason like you used to do, you know?
I know.
So you need cold water.
Okay, let me...
Can I come with you so I can...
Oh no, my love. You know that bathroom is so small.
But I'm not complaining.
Come on, it's so hot. You don't even have jacuzzi.
Jacuzzi, don't worry, when we get to America. I ejaculate here together. What is
what?
that?
What did you just say? Come on. All right, let me get my water. Okay?
All right. No. I want to go and fetch water while I'm here.
Why not?
Water now, bam. I'm going to cry. What a mess. Give me a big come. Let me fetch the water for you.
Okay.
Hey! So
thank you.
You're welcome. Anything for you.
That's why I love you.
I love you.
Oh, kiss,
My American wife is here.
kiss, baby. Take it easy.
America, here I come. American visa has it come.
Can somebody just wake me up? Can somebody just tell me that I'm not dreaming? I don't know what is wrong with my friend again. He has practically abandoned work just because Joy is in town. How can a man leave what is putting food on his table and channel all his energy to a woman just because she came back from America. Why? I can't even connect him. I can't even get him on the phone. Because it's possible his phone is inside the sitting room and he's at the backyard, either cooking or washing Joy's clothes. Or even scrubbing Joy's. Oh, Jehovah Elohim El Shaddai. What is all this? Eh? Come to think of it, the person he is killing himself because is Joy. Oh, Joy that used to be village champion. Joy, they didn't appear. Yes, no problem.
How much is this one? How much is this one? How much is this one? You don't want to answer me. How much is this one? I'll take this one. I'll take this one. Ngozi! Ngozi! What is it? Ngozi? Ngozi!
Abeg, come. I saw your sister at the market. She is scattering and chasing people.
Which market?
You should come fast before they beat her.
Which market?
Okay.
Sister, what are you doing? They don't want me to take this one. They don't want me to take this one. What are you doing?
Hey!
Stop it, please. Leave it. Sister, come.
Hey!
You don't. See this one. Can you stop? Sister, no, don't do that now.
Life is but a journey with the good. Onye no no wa biko pere chiginu.
Stop. Abby, stop.
Ekese Nigerian there.
Who come with this one again, yeah? Who won't come distract this beautiful moment for me? Baby, hold on, I'm coming, okay? Who be that? I'm coming.
Ekese Nigeria Limited.
Okay. Now you come the knock like stranger. You know if you come inside.
Are you the one saying this? Me come inside without knocking.
Is anything wrong? All or was like that?
No. You don't walk into a married man's house like that. It's wrong. So what happens if I enter and meet your wife naked? Or she's sleeping on top of the chair and maybe throw one leg like this? What will happen? You blame me?
So why must you use nakedness as an example? What if you enter and meet us praying? What if say you enter meet us reading Bible? What if say you enter you meet us cutting vegetable? Must you use nakedness? And shower there your eyes. You are shower there your eyes.
Ekene, please come and carry the sub dish. I'm done bathing.
Oh yes, baby, I'm coming. Please, you have to sit down and wait for me. My baby just finished bathing. Let me go and help her out of the bathing room. I'm coming.
Trouble. I don't understand. You want to go and help her out of the bedroom? As a wall, is she crippled?
How do you mean?
You are going inside the bedroom to help Joy. Our Joy. Help her out of the bedroom. Oh my goodness. Ekene, what is going on? This is not the Ekene I know. What is going on? You are pampering this Joy, yo. The way you are going about this marriage, it is wrong.
For many years, I did wait for my joy.
Shift!
Joy, my American joy. Finally, my joy don't come.
Hey.
Only Okwesi College, Pap, Body Housing. What is going on?
You don't come, my baby, now me and you. American visa, my American wife is here.
Sit. Sister, sit down. Stay, please. How could you even lose yourself? Sister, I found you at the market. The market of all places. What if someone knew you saw you? Why are you doing this to me? How could you even lose yourself? How is it possible that you lose yourself? Now I left work. Only God knows when I'll finish that work. And we're going to starve if I don't finish that farm work. I don't know what all this is. I'm so tired. I'm so exhausted. I'm too tired. How can I be the only one doing all of this? Sister, keep your leg. You just have to help me. You just have to help me.
That nobody can answer. Tell me why bad things happen to good people. I still wonder why.
Sister, we've suffered.
Life is but a journey.
But I'm so tired. I'm so tired. I'm so exhausted. Assuming Mama was alive now, we wouldn't be passing through all of this. Or who would have chased us out of the house? Sister, please. I want to take care of you and your baby. I have to take care of the both of you, even if it's the last thing I do. But please, you have to help me. Please. But I tell you, you should stay at a place while I go to work. I need to work. If I don't work, there won't be money for your drugs, no money for feeding, nothing. I'm the only one doing all of it, so please. You need to stay at a place. Okay? Please.
Behave when you look at my tummy. My tummy is bigger than my bum when you want to go to the market and want to go to the market, buy the moon. I want to buy the moon in when
You know, I love it, but don't you have a Vietnam restaurant anywhere around here? Vietnam restaurant?
Here in the village?
I don't, maybe.
I only see it in my dream, but physically, yeah.
By the way, what was that out there?
Oh, it was my friend Obinna.
Oh!
Yeah, don't worry about that one. He's jealous of our love. Very jealous human being.
Really?
Yes. But then, baby, just look at you. You know, sometimes I keep on imagining, why are you still this beautiful even without makeup? So women with makeup and everything, they will still look like Arusha Pirate.
Oh, please.
But look at you. You're just coming out of the bathing room and you are still looking.
Thank you so much, my
What's
love.
the secret?
I don't have any secrets. Or maybe it's because of weather over there, you know? I believe so. But don't worry, by the time you get to America with me, you will also glow. Yeah.
Hey! Glow.
Yeah.
I can't wait to enter America.
I
The
know.
moment I step in my foot there, my English will change.
Oh?
Oh yes. I will start speaking through my nose.
No.
And I'll be wearing jackets. foodie and all of that.
Baby, relax. Just take it easy.
Check.
Take it easy. By the time we get to immigration office, that's where everything starts.
Aww.
Yeah. I promise you.
Oh, look at me. So I will step in my foot in immigration office.
Yeah.
Prayer answered.
Yeah.
The Lord that answered by fire. You will be my God.
Yeah.
The Lord that signed my passport. Yeah. You will be my
I love you.
Thank you. I love you.
I love you.
I have to cook. Sister will be hungry. I need to wash her clothes too. Sometimes I don't know how long I can continue. But God knows I'm trying. If I had money, I would have looked for a solution to my sister's madness. Or even taking her to the hospital for antenatal. Thank goodness. She's sleeping. Thank God. At least I can cook. You thought you were sleeping. Go back to sleep, please.
Did you buy me that thing that you say you do? Whenever that
Lie down, okay? Good. Good girl, okay? I need to cook, please. Just sleep. Sleep. Sleep!
My beauty parara. Parara. My parara.
Baby, let's hurry up before the place gets crowded.
My parara. American visa mo. My American visa. International passport. Okuru okarisi adi na nwanyị. Obunte. Onye nwere gị nwere mmadụ. Nwa bụ ife nkili. Nwa bụ ife nkili. Nwa bụ ife nkili.
Let's go.
You too beautiful.
Thank you.
Baby, please go banye na moto. Banye na moto.
Thank you.
Hapụ ihe edere na moto banye m na moto.
Thank you.
Hey, ụtụ ọcha m. Nwa bụ ife nkili. Nwa bụ ife nkili. America lekwe m go to the shop na.
My American joy has it come. American visa has it come. American blood, Abia
American visa has it come.
My American wife is here.
American visa has it come.
America, here I come.
American visa has it come.
Very big aeroplane go carry me they go.
American visa has it come.
For many years, I did wait for my joy. Joy, my American joy. Finally, my joy don't come. Baby, welcome. I miss you. My baby boo. As you don't come, my American wife is here. America, here I come. Very big aeroplane will carry me they go.
American visa has it come. American visa has it come.
You again? This woman. Had it been you are not pregnant, I would have locked you for 2 days. Eh? Don't come here again, please. Stop this.
Tell me why bad things happen to good people. I still wonder why. Oh, life is but a journey filled with the good, bad, and the ugly. Onye no n'ụwa biko kpebere chi gị n'ụwa.
Anytime I want to do, I will take it anytime I want to
I brought you food. I brought you food. Hmm? Please eat. It's moi. See, moi. Eat, oh. See. You like it? Eat. Hmm? Eat so that you and your child will be close to me. Eat. You want more? Is your own? I understand. There's still more. There's still more.
Take this one. Take this one. Take everything.
They all belong to you. I will take. I'll take. I'm gonna take. There's still more. Bye, woman. Bye, woman.
Yeah.
Hey.
Thank you. I've been seeing you around. Wait now. Please talk to me. Why, Oma? Don't do me like this now. Eh? Just one word. Eh? Just your name. Just one word. Don't do me like this. Why, Oma? Oma Lechanwa.
Rosie. So you mean she now eats from your hand? It's as if it's every day. Like every day she's waiting for me. As soon as I braise the food, she grabs it. Seriously.
Like, I'm so happy. I'm so happy how much she loves me.
I'm happy for you too. Actually, this is a good thing. No? You know, when she gives birth, the baby will just follow you naturally. No stress.
Exactly. I told you. And I told you were like, this thing work. I told you now. Who is now laughing with you?
See, I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
I'm happy.
Achalugo why? Nwa mụrụ na mma. Ọmụma asalụ. Why manaria? Talk to me now. It's because you are beautiful. That is why I'm following you. Tell me something. Even go away. Or you can tell me get out. I will not stop following you if you don't talk to me. Oh. Please, talk to me now. Just one word. Tell me your name now. Name. Odinobi. Hi. Fine girl. But this girl wicked though. I will keep on following you.
Hey, sister. Sister, how are you able to listen yourself? Did somebody come here, sister?
possible. I thank you before going to the farm. Come. Sister, get down, please. Someone come here. Sister, who came in? Who? Did somebody come here?
Okay, this is why she ignored me. No home. A mad pregnant sister. Kai! This is serious, oh. This is very serious. Hi!
So let's just go, please. Come, let's go. Who? Sister, let's go, please. Let us go now. Let's go, sister. Come, let's go.
So she's carrying all that on her head. No wonder she doesn't have strength to talk to me. And this will be how she'll be living her life. Lonely and isolated. Kai. Life is wicked. Hey.
How are you?
Oh my word.
How are you?
Our wife will just got me, Obi.
Yes.
Hey, what is that? Huh?
Our wife.
So you are close to her now. You are close to your grave.
No, that's okay, honey, please.
What are you doing here?
It's okay.
I came to see you and our wife now. So
Our what?
our wife now.
Our waiting. Waiting make her our. Eh?
Oh, come on. It's okay, honey. It's okay.
I don't like the way he's calling you our.
I know. It's okay. It's okay.
It's not okay by me.
It's alright. It's alright.
See, you have to wait. I must attend to my wife first. She'll take her shower, make sure she eats, and then change to something better before I will come and talk to you.
No. I'm good. Please, you can just stay with him. Okay, I'm good.
Baby, no, please.
That's okay.
You come first. You are everything to me. You are my world. You are my life.
This vicious woman, now, she said she's okay. She's okay.
Honey.
Are you sure you don't need me?
No, I'm good. Just help me open the door. Come on.
Our wife.
Alright. Okay, take care of yourself, yeah?
I don't know what your problem is. I don't know. Since this woman returned, you changed. You started treating me like a nobody.
Were you somebody before? No, your mind they tell you say you be anything. So if I ask you now what you are, what are you?
Obaino.
Obagini. You are Obashin. You are Obashin.
Okay.
What are you here for?
I wanted us to discuss. I will go since you don't want me to be here. Just give me the money you are owing me, 6,200. Once you give me the money, I will stop coming to your house.
I'm preserving it to buy a casket for you. Yes.
It's the money you are owing me or I'm talking about.
That's exactly what I'm saying.
Okay, there's no problem. I will go. Our wife.
Your debt. Omuge. I want to go now. Ah! Look at him talk with the big cocoon. What a mess. Baby, are you okay? B? Oh, good. I'm very sorry for what happened earlier. If you were my shoe, you would do the same thing. So, Bara.
Do I have any other option? I don't have, man. So I don't have. It's fine.
It's not their choice. You don't even have the choice. So whatever I say stands. Nah, if you see what happened today, since my life, I never believed say somebody like me say something like that go happen to me. As we carry motor come out, they make we stroll around the village. Nah, give full greeting. If you see salute, everybody for this community come turn to road safety. Everybody at turn out on their fact. Wave your hands to Jesus. You can go on a choir and on a fellowship. Ah, Lord, I wave to you. Hey, hey. Woo! How come they say? So now this thing rich people they enjoy. Ah, Ogaranya Maka. Ogaranya Maka. We can't go immigration. Those people come finalize and then water everything, level everything, stamp everything. It can't be so jolly and so sule. Every office will be enter. Piam, piam, piam. Do you know in a few days time now, my international passport will be ready? Yes! In a few days time, I'll be going for capturing. Before you know it, 4, 5, 3 days, my international passport will be ready.
It's a lie.
This is set to fly.
Wait, oh, in a few days time, your international passport will be ready. How?
How?
Is it all this thing they said after capturing, you will stay like 1 month or 2 months before your passport will be ready?
Joy Bukone. Man, as a woman that has connection, Joy has connection. The moment we step in there, every long talk, na shorten. Wow! Just handshake. Oh, wow! Wow! I need to get wow, can America. So here go again. Let me do we go there because my own wow go there different. So
you are lucky. You are
lucky to be here with my brother. Lucky to be.
When will I get my own joy? Somebody that will be clearing road for me. Somebody that will take me out of this community. When?
Well.
Huh? No, I don't understand. So you are not even praying for me to have my own joy, to have somebody that will take me out of poverty. Is that your plan?
I'll take you out of poverty.
As
if you don't know where your destiny lies. Now for your turn, the thing go can't change. Obiam now. Woo! I beg you talk now. How about your dogs? Look at how are they?
Wait, we are talking about me meeting my own joy that will change my life. Ghana dream about dog.
When you go pack 4, 5 dogs, keep for house, what again? I wouldn't anketake. Look at how is Bingo and Jimmy.
Bingo and Jimmy. Go and joy, and I job but more Bingo and Jimmy. You ask me about them, I'm going to
and a John Ekute successful. Successful na dina karaka.
Okay, here dina karaka I'm going to
Don't ignore me this time, please. Yeah? Please now. Yeah? I just want to know you some more. Yeah? My name is Nezu.
Oh my goodness. What is it? Young man, what is your problem? Can't you get it? I am not interested in talking to you. Leave me alone. I don't want to know you and I don't want you to know me. Look, stop following me. Stop following me. I don't like it.
But you can't keep ignoring me now, please. I just want to know you. Yeah? I'm here now, please. Yeah? Why no man? Maricha one. Yeah?
I'm telling you now, leave me alone, no.
that nobody can answer. Tell me why bad things happen to good people. I still wonder why. Oh, life is but a journey filled with the good, the bad, and the ugly. Oh, yeah, no, no, why? Because
Sister! Again now. Sister! Sister Mara!
I've been looking for you everywhere. I went to your abode. I did not see you. Annie Beckett, see my power. You like food? Tiena Kagi. Amiwa. Let me help you. You don't have to fight. Mike, let me help you. Where's this spoon? Annie. Abi Tiena Kagi. To be friends with mad people is hard, oh. See poo. It's not poo, it's food. Plantain. You like poo? I like poo. When you digest is poo, so it's poo. I like eating poo every day. Yes, poo. Every day poo is good. Poo. That's why to turn to poo. So soft one. Soft poo. Eh.
Now I understand. She's homeless and stays in an uncompleted building. And persons like this do go through mental and emotional stress. But how do I get her attention? How do I walk my way into her heart? Hi.
Tell me why bad things happen to good people. I still wonder why. Oh, life is but a journey filled with the good, the bad, and the ugly. Oh, yeah, no, no, why? Because they're chicken.
Why do I feel someone deliberately comes to see her? Because of her condition, people give her things. Someone must have bought these for her because she's mad and pregnant. They feel she truly needs their help.
Please listen. Listen, I know you have a mad sister. And she's pregnant. Yes, I know. But I'm sorry. I have to find out things about you by myself. Because you weren't giving me attention. See, I understand your pain. You should try and make friends. Find some happiness too. See, I love you so much. And I'm willing to stand by you regardless.
So you've been stalking me? Why? What is it? Why have you been stalking me? Look, please. I am not interested in your happiness, friendship, or whatsoever. My sister is my life and I need no distractions. So please, I beg you, stop following me around. Biko, stop it.
See, I won't distract you. I promise, I won't. Please.
Excuse me.
Babe. Babe. Babe.
Nedu, my friend.
Welcome for my friend.
When did you return from your maternal home?
Just a few days ago.
Wow. So how are them?
They are fine. They are fine. They are doing okay. Actually, I have a problem.
What problem?
There is this beautiful girl that I met. But she's not giving me attention.
I hope you are not here for touch and follow. Because I don't do that here.
What I came for is bigger than that.
How?
I found out she has a mad pregnant sister. And she spends all her time taking care of her. I feel this pity inside of me. So I'm here to find out whether you have anything you can do to help them.
What are their names?
Actually, I don't know their names, sir.
Then I cannot help you, my good friend. If I don't have their names and you cannot bring them here, there is nothing I can do for you. At least I need to connect in spirit. Makana mira de onye ofo ya.
It's okay, my friend. I'll be back. No problem.
Nedu.
My captain went very successfully. In fact, if you see how I post, the couple put one light for up. Do my neck like that. Do I'm like this. They now say I should stand. Don't laugh. Oh. Hey! Oko from nowhere. Paka. Within some seconds, I think you have been captured. It's here. Wow. Hi.
Life is
Money
good.
stops nonsense.
I'm telling you.
Before, when people they talk, I'm saying money they stop nonsense. I they see I'm like saying a normal idiomatic expression. But today, I have seen it that it is real. Money stops nonsense. Come on.
Nice one.
I am so happy. In no distant time now, Lekwe America. The moment I step into America, all my world. English may change it.
You know?
All my world. Wow. I know. Hold on my phone.
Are they calling you?
Engineer. Hello, sir. Sir. Eso? Work at the site. Ha. Engineer, now wow. If not before one thing, I for say they let people down too much. So you never hear say I'm leaving Nigeria soon. Person where they prepare to recover my skin, to put my skin in organic way, so that if I enter abroad, you people go no say I belong, no be say I come.
I should come back again and start doing pom 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 pom. I don't pass that level now.
Hold on phone,
Sir?
engineer, it is me. Sorry. No, don't mind my friend though. He's just joking. I will come tomorrow to the site. No, don't mind him. If he's not coming, I'll bring somebody. I'll bring 2 persons with myself. Come and do the job. Please, don't change your mind. Okay. Yeah, what is your problem now? What is your problem?
My phone.
Take your phone. What is all this?
It's some European. Am I your fellow poor man?
See my point. You are still in Nigeria. I know you will soon travel. But now that you are still, let us go and do this work and collect the money.
We'll go and do it and collect money. I'm not an opium person. I told you, when I say the opium, the way they nailed Christ on the cross of Calvary, that's how they nailed the opium with your name. I should go back and start. See, wait, let me show you something. See here, 100, 4 pieces, $400. This is what I deal on now. No more a day job, 2,000 naira. Sometimes they will not complete it, and I want 5 after standing on the sun for the whole day. So please, I need to start thinking big. Yes.
Ekesin, are you aware that heaven will not fall if you give me one of these dollars as your friend? 100 Ekesin. Even if I not eat it, I'll go and place it in my house. I use that, I'll be remembering you by the time you travel. Ufro.
Really?
Just one.
Wow. I know. So better thing than hungry.
Why would I enjoy my friend?
But now you collect phone now, say you dey come. Make we go. 2,000. Minus that 2,000 from $100. You still have ego mapu. Ego still mapu.
We are saying the same thing. So if you give me $100, I will call engineer back and tell him to take a chai.
Sister, please just take your pills, okay? What do you have? This one is to make your baby strong. Good. Sister, why did you do that?
I will not even tell you what you want to do because
Please,
I
stand up and
know you were jealous, you were mad, you were stupid. I will cut your hair out too.
Sister, please get
I
up,
will
get
not
up.
even look
Please,
at you.
get
If
up.
you want to do something,
Sister.
I will be. I want to, yeah. I want to eat suya with ram and goat and chicken and turkey, even pork, even meat, even.
Sister, get up, please. Just get up.
But,
get up. Sister, get up.
Nobody want to know me, and I will not love you too if you don't love me.
Okay, now here's the thing, yeah? I took pictures of my house, of which is going to be our house now, yeah? Now this is my closet. Right now that you're going to come over to America to live with me, this is going to be your closet. Take a look. And this is my closet. This is yours. If you can see closely, I've already bought you some clothes, shirts, trousers, knickers, jeans. Look at them. It's there. Can you see? Those are your shirts and your trousers. And this is mine. I hope you like it.
Hold on, please. Are you trying to tell me that This place I'm seeing is in your house.
Yeah?
Your own house.
Of course, that's my house.
In America.
It now belongs to us. Alright, let me show you one more. This is our bedroom. Yes, I took all these pictures because I wanted you to see. This is our bedroom. I hope you love the bed. It's cozy.
Bedroom or sanctuary?
Oh.
Because this looks like a sacristy in the church.
No, sorry. No, this is our bedroom. It's not a church. This is a bedroom.
This is wow.
Yeah. And let me show you the exterior of my house. Now this is the exterior and this is our living room. Now I love my exterior because I have fountain in front of the house and I have so many flowers. I'm sure you love flowers, don't you?
You are my flower.
Oh,
I love you.
Aww. And one more thing. I love birch, color white and beige together. It makes you feel at peace. It's so cool, so cozy. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Take a look. Do you love the house?
No wonder they said, Alaeze namo n'eluigwe, obodo nke mara mma. Ejiri gabeji chọọ ya mma. Ejiri flower chọọ ya mma. Chineke me.
Do you like it? Yes or no?
I love it.
Oh, thank you so much.
This is wow.
I want you to be happy.
Wait a minute. Do Trump visit here?
Come on, why are you talking about Trump?
Just tell me your name. Okay, don't tell me your name. Okay, just tell me your sister's name. And it is important you talk to me now. Eh? I just want to know you, please. Just tell me your sister's name.
What is the problem? Eh? Why is it so important for you to know my name? Why can't you leave me alone? Stop it now. Stop following me. Stop stalking me. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Look, if you do not leave me alone, if you stop me anywhere, I'll do something very bad to you. Leave me alone. I'm warning you now. Leave me alone.
See, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Just your sister's name, and I will not talk to you again.
How are things with the mad woman?
Very well, Judy. Very, very well. She's beginning to like me. We're beginning to get along. And she's due.
Yeah.
I'm sure that in no time, she'll put to bed.
That's good. You should keep your eyes on her, especially now.
I'm doing my best. I am doing my best. Because if this plan fails, I don't think I have any other option. I'm tired of my husband's bad mood. Tired of battling with his bad mood.
Don't worry. It won't fail. Keep going. God is in control, okay?
Amen.
Rosie, oh? My kids are waiting for me, oh? Take care of yourself, oh? Bye-bye, oh?
Lord, I beg you. I see my own kids wait for me too.
Sister? Sister Mara? Sister Mara? Sister? Sister? Sister Mara? Sister Mara? Sister Mara? Sister?
Her name is Samara. Good. That's very good.
Babe! Babe!
Baby. You're back.
What was that? I mean, why did you paste that outside the gate? It's so embarrassing.
Come on. It's embarrassing about that.
Why would you put my name on there?
You see, that thing you saw over there is the reason God created you. Oh yes. He said he loved the cheerful givers. Doing charity is one of the things that is keeping all of us alive.
No, baby, listen. You're not supposed to paste my name there.
But your name makes it more beautiful and better.
No.
See, your name is Joy. And anybody you gifted, the joy that comes from that person's heart or the joy he or she will express makes it more better. Can't you see? God has blessed us.
Listen. Can we do something?
Excuse me, sir.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Sir, what's the meaning of that thing you face at the gate?
Oh, the write-up.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me. Hold on, let me. I want to explain to him what it is instead of talking. I'm coming. Just give me a few minutes. I'm coming.
Thank you, sir.
Just a minute, yeah?
Thank you, sir. This is the meaning of what I pasted.
Believe so?
Yes.
For me.
Go home and enjoy that Kirirezium Ndemba. Thank you, sir. God bless you.
Thank you, ma.
God bless
Thank
you.
you.
Say me word to your parents, okay?
Okay, sir. So I will call other people to come and take orders.
It's one. Tell others to come and take. But first of all, go with your own.
Okay, sir.
And handle it with care.
No, thank you, sir.
Good.
Baby, what are you doing?
Can't you see how happy
No,
he is?
what are you doing?
I am doing the work of God. See, the moment we enter America, I have said it to myself that I will work so hard to make money so that I will import other foreign furnitures. All these things you are seeing here, I'm going to buy bigger, better, beautiful ones. In fact, I will push down this house.
No. You're not pushing down any house. Baby, can we talk? Please, can we just go inside and talk?
We're talking already.
No, you don't know what you're doing.
We're doing charity. They say charity begins at home.
Okay, can we talk?
Okay.
Please.
Okay, we can. Come, let's go inside.
Look out for my very good friend. That girl is very stubborn. She wouldn't even give me opportunity to talk to her. But I overheard her calling her sister Amara. That's all I have for now. Please, find a way and help me.
If you can get bunu jika nke wo dikite dida jikala ofeke. Maka na onye bụ ụzọ sibi ite na ebu ụzọ enwe mkpọkọrọ ite. N'ofu mgbọrọgwụ ka dibịa jaka ibe. Amara! Amara! Who is this Amara? Why is she mad? Can it be cured? Talk to me! Her madness is not ordinary. It is something I can handle.
Good news. Thank you very much. That's good news.
But not from afar. She must be brought here.
Well, that's not much of a problem. I have the task of convincing the girl about it. Good. I'll be back. Listen, please listen. I have a friend who can cure your sister's madness. His name is Okafor. He's a native doctor. Please, just give it a try, please.
Sorry, hold on. Did you say you have someone that can cure my sister's madness? Are you serious?
Yes. My friend said he can handle her madness. Just come with me to his shrine and confirm yourself, please.
Please just hold on, please. I need to go look for my sister. I don't know where she is. Just stay here. I'm coming. Okay?
Should I come with you?
What if it's true? What if Sister Amara can truly be healed? I must give her a chance at getting well again. I can't deny her this opportunity because of fear and uncertainty. Sir, please, about what you said earlier, are you sure?
See, I can't lie to you. He said the madness of your sister is not ordinary. That is why I'm here, asking you to follow me to the shrine and confirm yourself, please.
Sir, please. Please, I just hope you're telling the truth. My sister and I have really suffered a lot. We've been through a lot and I really don't want to make any more mistakes, please.
I understand. That is why I'm here, asking you to follow me. So you confirm yourself, please.
Okay, please, sir. When can we go? I'm ready.
You are welcome, Nedu, my friend.
Thank you so much. This is Ngozi, my friend. The girl I told you about. She has come to meet you in person and to confirm what I told her.
Show me your palm. Let me see the other one. Ngozi Nnadi, the daughter of Okechukwu Nnadi, Ndogede. You will live long. Free yourself so that you can get married. The burden you carry is blocking your destiny. Your sister is not mad. Amara Nnadi, she is not mad. Her husband took away her sanity. Bring her here, and the rest will be a history. I assure you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Miri Marambe, thank you so much, my friend.
Relax. Sorry. Honestly, I don't have the money for what the man asked for. Goats, fowl. I don't have any of that. I just do all these small jobs for us to feed. I don't know where I can get the money from.
I'll get the stuffs. Then tomorrow we go to the shrine. Even if it will cost me my last card, the most important thing is to make sure that Amara is fine. And I promise you, she will be fine. Okay?
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
It's okay.
Sir, God bless you.
It's fine. It's fine. I just saw the need to help. If not for anything, she's pregnant. Okay? It's okay. Just get up. Get up. Take her. It's okay. It's okay.
Sorry, sir. Hold on, please.
Yeah, get up. Get up.
Okay. Stand up.
Get up.
Sorry.
It's okay. Just stand up. Okay? Just take her in and take care of
Thank you,
her. Okay? It's okay.
Sister, stop. Sir, thank you. I need to take her inside now.
Yeah?
Thank you, sir.
No.
I'm so sorry, sir. Come. No. Sister, we are going to move. Please, I beg you to behave yourself. Because I believe you get killed there, okay? This is the end of your madness. Stop it, I already cleaned you. Come. No, nothing. I will be by myself. I did it myself. After everything I've done. I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry. Sorry, stand up. This way.
Honey, they just called me. Your passport is ready. Yeah, heard me?
Are you for real?
Yeah.
My passport?
Yeah.
It's ready.
Of course. No! Calm down. Just calm down. Relax. Come on. I know you're already in America in your mind.
Oh my goodness.
I know.
I can't wait.
I know.
I can't wait to jump into America. Mona Trump will get Gwenaka.
Hold on. Just relax. Calm down. Okay?
When are we going to pick it up? Now or later?
We are going, actually we are going today.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
we're going now, but not right now. You need to dress up. Won't you dress up?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Hey, relax. Calm down. Take it easy.
Okay.
Okay. Let's go inside and dress up.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Oh, you're welcome.
Love you.
Oh, I love you too. Mwah. Okay, let's go.
She is innocent. Her hands are clean. She must be set free. When the bush is on fire, the chameleon must abandon the working style of his ancestors. A river cannot flow through the forest without bringing down the tree. Onye bụ ụzọ sibe ite na-ebu ụzọ enwe mkpọkọrọ ite. N'aka aka ya egbu ngwu n'anya ike na mma ya dị nkọ.
Why are we here? What is going on? Who is this? Why? Sister, are you okay? I'm pregnant. How come? Yes. Why? Ngozi, talk to me. You know me. What is going on, Ngozi? I'm so scared. Why? How come, Mama? You're fine. You recognize me. I'm pregnant. Yes. How?
Who they take her? 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 My international passport is here. Data page. My data page. Oh, open up, Calicia. Oh, Manitamu, you do this one.
Thank you.
Oh, Manita, you do this one. Oh, hey, you do this one. Oh.
I just want you to be happy,
Oh,
yeah?
my goodness.
I want you to be happy.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Who would have believed that on earth, Ekenechukwu Alaboso will go to America? I don't go believe her.
It's okay. It's okay. You just need to calm down.
Make way for my Pino. Oh, my P. The Pino Nation.
Oh, no, it's okay.
I don't say about Tefe.
My goodness.
Gaga no go. Oh! Carisia. Popori, po.
It's just calm down.
It is too much.
Listen.
You want mammo po.
Don't worry.
Come on.
It's okay.
Who they take her? Because you're hug. Thank you very much.
By the time I take you over there, you're going to see yourself. You'll change. Your skin will be smooth. Fresh. Oh, no.
The dry bones are alive again.
No, don't say that. You're right. Yeah?
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
I love you. That's
Thank you very much.
You,
the moment I step my foot into America. Wow.
Oh.
I know. If I then now see Trump, we are going to blow trumpets together. Trump nebu.
Take it easy.
That's
not how it is. Just take it easy. Take it easy.
In fact, I need to call over. I know immediately. Hold on. My phone is here. I need to call over. Hold on. I need to call over. Hey, Yarima. Hello, Bina. Oh, Bina, Paula, I'm leaving already. If you don't come here now, see me, see airport. See me, see airport. See Ekele. Come on. What are you doing?
What's going on? Ekene, please. Can you tell me what's going on here? Who is she? His wife. What?
I'm his wife, Amara. He's my husband. And this is pregnant. I'm pregnant for you. What is going on? Why am I like this? I'm confused. Where have I been? Where have you been?
You are pregnant?
Yes.
For me?
Who else?
No, how come? There's no one can be this one.
Hello?
Hello? Who is this?
Babe, it's me. It's me, Joy.
Joy. Which of the Joy? Oh! Joy! I want number. You remembered me today, Joy.
I'm so sorry. You know, I've been so busy and I was trying to save enough money before coming home, right?
Hey? This is surprising to me. After all these years. Chai, I can't wait to see you.
Don't worry, we'll talk later. I just said I should inform you first.
Chai, I'm most honored. Thank you so much. I want to talk to you later. Bye.
Thank you. Take care of yourself. Can't wait to see you, darling. Bye.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Hey, who they check out? Who they check out? Nah, Obina. Joy just called me that she's coming back home soon.
Who's Joy?
My own Joy now. After 10 years of waiting.
Joy called you.
Kachineke.
I don't understand. Okay, it's a good thing. And did you tell her that you're married?
Why would I do a thing like that? I did not. I did, Chris. The moment she told me she has been saving money for us, nah, man, I seized every other information. Everything ceased.
Hey, this is good news. After 10 whole years.
10 years.
Joy is coming. Joy is coming. Okay.
Joy is coming. Joy is coming.
Yes. Our joy is coming.
Somebody that I waited for good 10 years. See, in as much as I am married and Joy is coming, see, I still love Joy. I can never forget those days. I still love her, and I still love her, Amara.
I can feel it.
It's as if I'm living between two monkeys now. I don't even know what to do.
See, the most important thing now is that you did not tell Joy that you are married. So what will happen now is that let us go back to site. After today's work, we will now go to one new quarter and sit over some bottles of alcoholic liquor and discuss this thing. I'm telling you. She will like it.
You need to see the way she sounded. Hello, baby. Ujabiam. Sir, have they come to set me up? Because the number was strange. It was a strange number. Obina, maybe I should tell Joy the truth.
Eh?
Yes.
Ekesin, are you okay? Wait, how can you say a thing like this? See, let me tell you something. The problem you have is that you don't know all these people abroad. How can you even think about something like this? Wait, are you not aware that all the people abroad, they have the same problem? They have trust issues. There are certain things you don't even need to say to their hearing. See, let me tell you something. If you open this your mouth to tell Joy this thing, that is the end of this relationship. She will block you and you will never set your eyes on her. Yes. She will simply tell you that you are not faithful and you are not trustworthy.
So what do I do?
Simple. You are in love with Amara and you are in love with Joy. Yes, it is your right to be in love with anybody. But what we should be thinking here is which of them is more beneficial to you than the other. And I must tell you, if you should continue this love with Amara, you are going backward. You are still in this village. We'll keep on going to Messen and Upper Block. It is not our portion. But if you continue with Joy, Joy will come into your life. You will move to grace from this village to America, to good life, to enjoy money, to good money in your account. Just do away with Amara. Simple. Let the poor marry the rich. It is not always the rich who keep getting richer. No! You are poor. Amara is poor. Give your children unborn a good life by accepting Joy. I am giving you good advice because I know if it is well with you tomorrow, you will remember me.
Enjoy your food, my husband.
Thank you.
no no wa biko kpebere chi gị n'ụwa. Hey, ka ọnwụnwa bịara na gị oh ije ụwa ọ bụ onye ka m ga-akọrọ
Guess who? What? Are you alright? My love. Ekene. Ekene.
My joy is coming.
Hi, baby. Just checking on you.
I'm fine. How are you too?
I'm good. I'm good. How is everyone there?
I can't wait to see you. I've been waiting for 10 years.
I know. Don't worry, I'll see you soon, okay? I just called to check on you. I have to go now, baby. Bye.
Bye. All right, bye. Chai.
Yeah?
Maybe now. Joy is coming back.
Good news.
And Amara is here. I don't want to chase her away. She's faultless. I don't even know how to handle this.
Look at the kind of question you are asking me. Who is Amara? Isiba Amara Jeboni. We are talking about Joy coming back from America to change your life. And you are considering a nobody. By the way, where is Amara? Where is she?
She went to see her friend.
Very good. This environment is very safe for this kind of discussion. I know what will happen this time. Let me tell you. You have to hit her with madness.
Ah!
Yes.
Madness?
Evidently. Very heavy one.
Oh. Madness?
Madness is the only solution to this issue. So let me tell you something. If you decide now to tell her to go that you don't want again, if Joy comes, the Amara I know will carry her body and come here one day and cause problem. But if you dash her one heavy madness, either way, she will enter market from our kingdom to another kingdom. There will be no trees. Nobody will talk. Nothing will happen. You know all these people from abroad, they hate people that are not faithful. So the only thing now is to make Amara mad, so that she will know where and know how, find the way to come here and cause war between you and Joy. And if you must do it now.
But can I undo it?
Why not? Why not? See, I have somebody who can kill anybody at any time. So, Madness is the smallest thing my friend can offer.
My friend?
You don't know me? See what will happen. We will give her madness. A day to the day people will travel to America. You will now go and undo it. In fact, I'm your friend. You can even travel and send me to go and undo her the madness. It's that simple. What is madness? The easiest thing my friend can offer is madness. I don't want to commit murder. And I know you say if you don't want to commit murder, if not,
I cannot eat this. Hey! I must wait here until my dear husband comes back and I'll tell him that I'm pregnant. Hey! 2 weeks gone. Thank you. This is it. I cannot just wait for you to come back.
Obina, are you sure what that man did was?
I don't know why you are worried. I told you before now that that man is the highest Otomopo man I have met in my entire life. And again, this is not the first time he is doing this kind of thing for me. Yes!
So what you're trying to tell me now is that by now she is already mad.
Your wife is mad at home. Just go to your house and confirm. Then you will now get your choyama and send her out of your house. It's very simple. Yes.
Don't you think it's wise you follow me home?
Follow you home?
Yes.
No!
Because I can't stand her alone.
Let me tell you, we need to close all corners. People should not suspect that something happened. Just go back to your house just the way you used to go and come back casually. Then if you observe that she's done the run mad, they will allegation and send her back to her father's house. That solves the problem. If there's anything, you call me. Backup call. I will.
No, if she's mad already.
Yes.
Then I will now call you.
Yes.
Okay, yeah.
Don't forget that joy is coming. Yes. I told you that marriage will not work.
Thank you, God. Thank you, God. How will they now to the first place you're supposed to come into this place inside Nigeria? When we go to Nigeria, we didn't even have to kitchen that is very quick, very full. To go to cook that very good, big cat. And the dog didn't even flex her hair. I have everything. I am a dog. If I'm a dog, I can be a pig. I'm not being a pig. I want my animal. If you go there, you're not going to the beach. You're not going to go to the beach of Agano, and I was ready to go. I'm ready to stay there like a dog. What?
Let me go out.
Leave me. Come like that.
So you
Come
are
like that.
Amara.
Leave me! Hey, stop. So you are mad? So So madness runs in your family. And nobody told me. Leave me, you will turn me on this woman. Leave me! Oh! I'm not running mad with you. Leave me. See, hold on. Hold on. See, you are leaving my house. I can't stay with a man.
Go to that place I wanted to go yesterday. Bye-bye. I'm your friend. Are you my friend? Are you my friend? My friend.
I will beat you. Who is here? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hey.
What's wrong with my sister?
Are you asking me? Are you asking me? So madness runs in your family and nobody can understand. She's not coming back to my house. She should not come back to my house. You see what she's doing to me?
What happened?
You see what she's doing to me? You see what she's doing to me?
You're my fine baby.
Your sister has been sleeping around with all kinds of men in Nigeria. Oh yes! And this is as a result of the only woman who cannot stay one place and mind her husband alone. She is mad and I don't want to see her anywhere close to my house.
My sister is not like that.
Your sister is not like that.
Now, no.
Hey!
Sister, please. Go and get him back. Sister, are you okay? He's fine now. He's fine now.
Are you okay?
He's fine now.
Hey!
Sister.
Hey! Hey!
Ekene. You're very wicked. Ekene, you're very wicked. Ekene, after everything, Ekene, after all the sacrifices, after all this, Ekene, I kept to my words. I kept myself for you. I work hard. Ekene, I rejected suitors, able suitors coming for my hand in marriage over there in US. All because of you. And you did this. Ekene, you did this. Oh really? What were you planning anyway? What were you planning? Oh, you plan to go over there with me and you're ready to dump me for another woman? No, then what were you planning?
I love you.
No, shut up! Just shut up! I'm really sorry. Please, just forgive me. He never told me he was married. I didn't know anything. He didn't tell me he was married. I'm really sorry. Honestly, I'm really sorry. Please forgive me.
Sister Mara!
I hate you. Don't you dare come close to me. If you could do this to an innocent woman, your wife, pregnant for you, if you could do this to her, then who am I? Who am I? I hate you now. I'm leaving. No. Open this door for me. Just open it. Open it, let me leave.
Please don't leave me. Please don't leave me.
Open it!
Get out! Please, baby, I love you. I love you. Baby, I love you. Baby, please. Please don't
touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I hate you. You're evil. You're just evil. I hate you.
Please, I'll tell you I'm sorry. You can't hate me like this.
Just get out!
I will help you to work hard, I promise.
Get out.
Please. Please. Remember, I promise.
I just said get out!
What do I see to myself? I know all these promises.
You are crazy. Don't you dare me. Don't you ever dare me. Idiot.
Please now, please. Please, I'm begging, please. Please don't go. Please. Baby. Baby, what of the America you promised me?
Oh, please. Please, I beg you to just stop. Please. After my own husband. The one I call my husband do this to me. How could he make me mad? Why would he be so heartless? What did I even do to him? Stop, please. Now look at what you do. Just take a look. See me we're now staying. I'm here for you. I've always been here. He had to put you under such stress, such shame and trauma. I know how it... Ekene, what are you doing here? Ekene, what are you doing here? You want the same woman you made mad come back to you. Are you being serious? Listen, if you are here to apologize, just know you will never be forgiven, Ekene. Never! Do you know what you did? Look at my sister. Look at her. Do you know the trauma, the stress and the shame of having to take care of my own sister as a mad woman? Ekene, please just leave this place, I beg you. Please just get out. Get out before we do something bad to you, please.
I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Please, I'm sorry. Forgive me. It was not intentional. It was Obinna that lured me into making you mad. Yes, Obinna. Please forgive me. I'm sorry, please.
He lured you into this and you accepted. You made your own wife mad. You listened to your wicked friend. You listened to his advice all because he could not have it. He told you to make me mad.
What?
Do you know why I'm looking at you like this? You don't know. It is because you are beautiful. You are more than beautiful. Do you know that you are the most beautiful girl in this local government, not even our community?
Are you done?
Your beauty has gone beyond our kingdom.
Are you done?
I am not done. How can I be done?
Be fast. I was busy.
I am fast. Allow me to come out slowly. See, if there should be a competition between local governments in this our state, you are going to represent our local government and you must win. If you fail, that means now our enemies. Now, I count to the vote.
Okay.
Come, wait. There's information that I want to give you. You see this, your man, Ekene. Ekene is working on your... In fact, he is playing on your intelligence. That, my friend, is not real. The only person that is real is me. That is why... Yes. Come on, what is it? Yeah. You see, the more you are doing Sekara, I'm liking you the more. This is one of the characteristics of beautiful people. They always do Shakara. But let me tell you something. There is a woman in Ekene's life. Her name is Joy. And that Joy is in America. So forget all those things, all those sweet life. It is not working.
Which Ekene? My husband.
My friend.
Your best friend.
Yes! We've been friends before the marriage.
Obinna, you are so shameless. So all because you want me, eh? You're telling cheap lies.
Me lie?
Are you this cheap?
How can I lie? I am telling you what is happening. Okay, so what happened? Once we get to the house, tell Ekene that somebody made mention of Joy that is in America and watch his reaction.
The only thing you will force me to tell my husband is that you're hitting on me and he will not like it. Don't force me. There are so many beautiful girls around there. Just pick one.
They are not beautiful. All this food that is rubbing peculiar.
Yeah, stay away from me. Stay away from me, I've told you.
Alright, come, let me just whisper something.
What?
The last information.
You're a goat.
Oh, what a beautiful that is in the eyes of the beholder. Hi, look at her aroma. Elmo, please come. Bye-bye. Moon. Moon. Up now.
What is it?
Moon.
Who is Moon? What is it?
You are Moon, my Moon. Where is Ekene?
I don't understand. Didn't you go out with him in the morning?
I know you are very smart. I just asked that question so that I will see your reaction. See, the point of the matter is that I couldn't take you off my mind. Yesterday night I wasn't able to sleep. I keep on seeing your picture everywhere in my room. See, you want to kill me? I cannot do anything again without setting my eyes on you.
Opener, please. Please, I beg you. I don't know how else to explain this to you, but right now you're witch hunting me. I've told you countlessly, I can never leave my husband. I can never be with you. Can't you just get it? Bikono, leave me alone.
Even if you cannot just be with me, just try it. It can still work. There's no harm in trying.
Try what?
Try being with
I
me.
will never. I can never. It's not happening. I'm not leaving my husband.
Stop talking about this husband. See, I am not an outsider here. I know everything. It's not even as if that you people are officially married.
Hey, don't even say that. We are married. Alright? We are married. He's my husband.
Come, let us.
Are you crazy? Stupid man. Get out! Useless perverts. Don't come again. Try it again and you'll see.
Leave pervert. Leave pervert. Hey, what's the time of okay, there's no problem. You don't know the person you are dealing with. My name is Obinna. I will deal with you. See, let me tell you something. I will make sure that this marriage did not go. Let us bet it. Wow, so should I go and get umbrella so that this sun will stop hitting you?
What is it now?
Wait, see now. the way you do this thing. What is this now? The thing is doing me somehow. See, sorry for the other day, but I want to ask you, did you ask your man Ekene about Joy that is in America?
No, I did not ask him.
Why?
There is no need for that.
Oh.
Ekene, you don't understand something. It will never be you. I'm never leaving my husband for anyone, so stop wasting your time.
Okay, see what will happen. Even if you don't want to leave Ekene for me, just leave him. Let us see who would win you afterwards.
I am never leaving him. Nobody is winning me. I will be with my husband. That is my home. Let it get into your thick skull. Okay. Leave me alone.
Just come to my house. Let me tell you something. Look at very strange, beautiful, colorful human being. I will follow you to that house.
Wait a minute. You mean Obinna did this and you never bothered to tell me? You mean Obinna did all this and you didn't bother to tell me? Obinna, I will kill you. I will excuse you. Oh, please. Please, my dear. Please. Come back to me. Come back home. I know I've offended you. I've wronged you. In fact, I'm not supposed to come close to you again. But please, because of God and because of the unborn child, come back to me. Please come back home. I beg you, please.
For me and my baby, I will never go back there. Also, you can kill me, right?
No.
Since you were so heartless enough to make your own wife mad.
One living under your own roof. What did I ever do to you? Please.
Ekene, please leave this place.
Leave this place. Leave this
Ekene,
place.
leave this place before we call the boys. Leave this place.
Are they boys? Please go.
Please come back home. I heard your uncle chased you people out of the house. That's unfair. You can come back to the house. My house belongs to you still. Please.
No, I can't. I'm no longer safe with you. You were mean enough to make your own wife mad. What do you do when I come back to you? Just kill me off. No, please, just go.
Please.
No, please, get out of this place. Go.
Please, leave.
I hate you. Leave.
Ekene, leave this place, please.
She was my last hope. Look. She was just my last hope. Now she has regained her sanity. No same person will give away her child. I've lost again.
No.
I've lost it again.
No. Rosie, hey, look at me. It is not the end of the world. It is not. I'll figure something out. Trust me. I always do. All I want you to do for me is to remain calm and be strong. And let me tell you, Rosie, your husband loves you. He loves you. He loves you. He adores you. It's very normal for one to be sober sometimes. So please stop crying. Please.
I don't know what to do again. I don't know.
You don't have to figure it out. You don't have to figure it out always. One step at a time. Please, stop crying. You know I don't like it when you cry. Hey. Stop it. Oh. Chozikambe weziakwa.
Sarubambe ojo cry. Let him open my womb. Let him open my womb.
Thank you, my friend. But your work is not finished. After listening to the whole story, I feel that the man in question does not deserve peace. I want you to send that madness back to him.
If that is what you want, evil for evil, n'isi kote bụ ọgba ya. O metere buru. It is done.
Thank you so much, my friend.
America. Donald Trump. Is that you? Wow. I know. Woo! Baby! Baby! Baby!
Tell me why it happens to people.
Hey. America. America. America.
Filled with the good, the bad, and the ugly. Onye no know why, because chiginu. Hey.